Okay, so in this question 7, again, we're doing the same manipulation. What does it come down to? Cos x. So you can see, this is what I'm looking for when I'm looking at these manipulations. I know what they come down to. So the cos x and a number in front minus sine x, sine alpha. So it comes down to that. So I know I've got the r is 1 squared. There's 1 in front. There's root 3 all squared gives us 2. And then the root 3 on 1, because again that's going to be sine alpha in front there. Root 3 on 1 gives us pi on 3. So we can write cos x minus root 3 sine x as 2 cos x plus pi on 3 equal to 2. So cos of x plus pi on 3 is 1. So again, x plus pi on 3, inverse cos of 1 in this case. Again, considering that's got to be plus x, so it's going to be between pi on 3 and 2 pi plus pi on 3. So 2 pi is the only one that satisfies. When we subtract, we're going to get 5 pi on 3. If we keep it and put 0 and 2 pi on 3, we'd subtract minus pi on 3, which gives us minus pi on 3 and for x, which isn't in our domain. In question 8, similarly, this time a little bit different because x is between minus pi on 2 and 3 pi on 2. So again, we'll manipulate it, cos x minus sin x, get our r of root 2. Inverse tan of pi on 4 gives us root 2 cos of x plus pi on 4. So I know that is the manipulation I want to get down to. Do the substitution, and cos of x plus pi on 4 is minus 1 on root 2. So again, if I've got x between those two values, x plus pi on 4 will be between minus pi on 4 and 7 pi on 4. So the two values that will give me there, the inverse cos of it would be pi on, so the related angles pi on 4, cos is minus in the second and the fourth. So that's going to give me the second quadrant. That's going to give me, sorry, the third quadrant. Because tan's positive in the third, but cos is negative in the third. And so we're able to get those two values and then subtract pi on 4 to give us pi on 2 and pi. Again, all these are equations. If you're not sure if your final answers are correct, substitute them back in. Because you could substitute pi on 2 and pi into those, and it should give you minus 1. If it doesn't, then you've done something wrong, because it's not working. It's not a solution to the equation. That's, again, beauty of equations. You can sub it back in, and you get your answers every time.